Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the channel. How are you, my dear students? I think all you are fine at home, right? So all you are busy with your studies, and all the students will have main ambition like a topper. Topper means I have to score good marks. I have to score out of marks. Like that, you have a big dream. I think hope all your students are having. Yes, am I correct? So the thing is, it's not like no one is very you can say genius or everybody. We can't say in that way. So the main important thing you have to remember is the how to make a timings. Timings is very important. For example, I'm sharing this for everybody. Any student or any level, degree or inter or NEET or 10th class. Okay, in this video we are going to see the best timing for the toppers, the best timetable. So how to prepare the timetable. Okay, so in that case, so you have to be very alert. For example, you have chosen a topic like any degree or any course you have taken. So you have a mind setting like I have to make or I have to get good score in the final exam. I think all you are having that. Okay, but the way you are lagging, so the time management you are lagging. Okay, so now I am going to tell about how to maintain the topper timetable. Timetable is very important in daily aspect. Okay, it's not like running at the end of the session or end of the schedule. It is very inconvenient. Okay, so the first day, the day one onwards, you have to do these things. The day one onwards, you have to frame a timetable. Okay, you can note down in your book the best timing. So daily you have to wake up same time every day. Every day you have to wake up in the same time. I will prescribe 4:30 because as I discussed in before videos, it's very good time for the students, those who are studying. Okay, the starting study, if you are maintaining at the starting day what I am discussing. Okay, for example, you have exams in the 1 month, so full day you are at home. Example, at home full day. So now I am discussing the full day you are at home. So how to utilize this full day? First of all, at the starting early morning, you have to take your favorite subject. Favorite subject in the sense, so in that case you have more sleep. So in that case, if you have taken favorite subject, that what you have like. Okay, so if you can go for 1 hour study that favorite subject, like 5:36 will be over. Okay, then half an hour you can take a break for your remaining things. Okay, by 7 o'clock you can come back to your study. Okay, in that case 1 hour you can utilize, which is the toughest part or toughest subject you can take 1 hour or 2 hours you can take. By 9 you can take your breakfast. So after breakfast, for refreshment, okay, you can do some you can relax for some time. Okay, then after that, if you take 1 or 2 hours, the maths, physics, chemistry, if you want to do these subject, you can have this good opting time. In this time, the 10 to 12 you can take. Okay, so afternoon session, if you take afternoon session after your lunch, you can take rest for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Okay, you can sleep in that time. So immediately evening time, with a fresh mind, you can take another subject that what you will feel very hard evening time. So hard subject you have to give more effort in the sense you have to study more in the hard level. So nothing is easy, nothing is very difficult. Our time management is very important. Okay, evening if you have study in this way, the important hard topics you can clear. Okay, up to 7 you can clear. Okay, then you can have the dinner. So after dinner you feel sleepy. After dinner, what you have to do, you will feel very sleepy. In that case, once again you have to revise your favorite subject. Remember, favorite subject will be starting with starting day and ending with the day. If you do this favorite starting and the ending, okay, you won't feel you have studied so much Favorite subject in the sense you know everything, that you feel it is very good and you feel I know every concept. So in that case, sleepy time, okay, you can manage up to 10:30 to 11 also you can study your favorite subject. So if you take the difficult aspect, if you have taken, what will happen? You will get sleepy. In that you will close the books and you will sleep. Okay, so like this if you do, what will happen? The favorite subject, if you do regularly means the chances are there you can score good marks. In such a way the topics should be divided. If you are at home, example at home, these things are for only the students, those who are at home, those who are preparing exams in at home only, not to the college or any school. For example, if you are going regularly to the school, okay, regularly to the school, you have to maintain the same timings. Remember, you have to sleep at least 6 hours. Okay, so if you are daily, if you are going to the school or college, so you have some hard subjects you have. Example, 3 hard subjects you have. Okay, the 3 hard subjects you have to study regularly, you have to study. Regularly in the sense you should not leave a day also. The day one concept you have to complete in the day only. Some students will feel this is very hard, I can't do everyday concept, I am unable to do. If you think like that, remember you are going back. Okay, some 10 days after you have one exam. Okay, in that exam, before the day you have started the study, is there any use? There is no use. You have no confident. Okay, you can't give exam properly if you do such a way. After 1 week, after 10 days, if they're going, exams are there, let it be. But you have to go the day one onwards. It is very, very important for every topper. Remember, topper is always topper, so they have to study for everyday concept. Everyday means this particular topic is completed. Today I have to going to study, I have to complete. In that way you have to complete. What are the main advantages you will get if you complete the concept daily? You will be getting prepared before exam only. Remember, if you do this before exam, you can have one more chance to revise also. One more chance to revise. Okay, and you can revise 2-3 times before exam. Okay, if you once you study, immediately you can't vomit on the paper. Remember, study, revising 2 times, then only you can attempt the exam. Okay, listening, writing and reading, this is very important. Listening, first you have to listen properly. What you have listened you have to write, line by line you have to write. So after writing you have to read what you have written, you have to read. So if you do this way, definitely you can have good timing, means definitely you can score what mark or which mark you want to make, that mark you can permit, or you can give the chance you can score this type of mark. Okay, you should not relax. Relax means only 1 year or 2 year you have to do. I am not saying don't relax. So always study. In middle you can have some music, half an hour, 1 hour, or some 50 minutes you can relax. You can play, you can do exercise. So like this, if you have maintained the proper timetable, definitely you can get the what you have got ambition. That ambition you can definitely you get the success. Okay. Hope it will be useful for all the toppers, those who are seeing my video. Thanks for watching.